Hey folks, welcome back to Selenium WebDriver series. In this video, let's talk how to install the Eclipse IDE, and also you can start with installing your Java as well as Eclipse IDE. Okay, so that we can get started in the upcoming videos. Okay, so let's get started. So you can go ahead and then search for download Eclipse. Okay, and then you will get a website, eclipse.org. You can either download it from here or else there is eclipseide.org. So using this as well, you can download. So we will go to this website. Okay, and then there are multiple versions available. So we need this one. Okay, so we will click on download. So here we will get multiple versions which are available. But for us, we need this one because this is enough for us, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So here all the essential tools for any Java developer, including Java IDE, Git client, XML editor, Maven, Gradle integration, everything, whatever we need is available. This as well you can download. Okay, but for us, this is more than enough. So we will go ahead and then download this. Okay, so this is where we can download. So in the previous video, we have downloaded Java. Okay, if you want to download Java, you can watch that video. And also, if you're new to this series, you can start by learning Java first. So there is a Java playlist. I will leave that link in the description. So you can go ahead and then learn Java first, and then you can come back to the series. Okay. And this Eclipse IDE is for free, so you can download it. The download is completed. If you see, it is completed. So now we have to extract this. So we'll go to downloads and then we'll, uh, you know, cut this and then put this into C drive. Okay, come to the C drive and then here we will dump it. Okay, and now you can extract it. So you can see where it will extract. So the extraction is completed now. So if you click on this Eclipse, if you go into the Eclipse folder, so there will be an application here, Eclipse. Okay. So just go ahead and then double click on this. So here Eclipse is why we need Eclipse is because we need to write a programming language. I mean, in the sense we have to write the code. So all that we have to write it in this particular IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So let's change the workspace. So we will select, I have created under Eclipse workspace, I have created Selenium folder. I'll just select that and then click on launch. So if you don't have, you can just select the default whatever you choose and then just click on launch. So this is where we landed, and then you just don't need to do anything here. So just you can close this welcome. Okay, or otherwise you can go ahead and then create a new Java project as well. So this is where we'll have to create a new Java project. Okay, click on new Java project and then project name. Let's enter the project name as Selenium automation. Okay, connect. So here you can see an HRC file also will get created and then click on finish. Okay, if you expand this, you can see all the TRE files as well as HRC file has been created. If you don't want, you can delete this. You can uncheck this option as well. Okay, so this is how we download it and then all we are set to start at Selenium now. We downloaded Java as well as uh, Eclipse IDE. So if you don't want to use the Selenium IDE, there is another IDE called IntelliJ IDEA. So that as well you can use it. Okay, so hopefully you have learned how we can download Eclipse and then get started with the Selenium, to start with Selenium. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and in the next video, we will start by configuring all the Java things. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.